recording? Yes, it is. I just had it a moment ago. I have my telephoto lens, folks. And where the heck is it? I just had it. There we go. There we go. Tap on my light meter. There we go, beautiful. That is the image in the sky. Why, oh why. It's getting cold out here on January 4th. It is expected. I'm seeing some pretty colors through this telephoto. It's got, seems like it's such a smaller screen, like, you know, like somebody's eye pupil, but I'm trying to keep a steady bead on my alien friend in the sky. Tap on the light meter. Got a little bit bigger. Now what I'm looking at, folks, it seems like it's changing shape a bit. I was just at this guy's doorstep filming, and I hear a bang on the window. He's like he was shaking his hand back and forth, like, no, no, no. And I got up. I said, I hear you, and moved on. Now I'm at the next doorway. Nobody can see me on the street, but I am standing, and it's just as well. It's just as well. See what I go through for you folks? Yep. Now the only thing is, holding this, I can't really talk to the alien entity and get such direct communication. This is more a visual thing. We're tapping on the light meter. Okay, I saw it change, get a little bit bigger. Not too much. See, I can't do that as much filming through the telephoto. And I feel like a pirate here. Arr! Looking through my telescope at the other ships. Yeah, I matey, when I put a parrot on my shoulder. Oh God, somebody's pulling up right in front of this place. I pray it's not this particular building. If it is, oh my goodness. Easier if I could hold this. Yeah. Oh God, that's so much easier. Holding the image stabilizer. Yeah, that's so much better. So much better, folks. Where are we here? I just had it. There we go. Bear with me. Like I said, this opening is oh so much smaller. It looks like a penny through what I'm looking through, but you get the idea. But I'm trying to center it, the image, as much as I can. Let me tap on the light meter, see if it changes, gets bigger. Nah, not really. So, I have to take advantage of these clear days. Last night I wanted to go out. The sky was, it was gray. And I was just watching another YouTube channel I like. I hadn't seen this guy in a while, his videos. And he said the sky was gray. And he said he wanted it to turn blue. Well, guess what? Tonight's sky is blue. So those gray skies where it's real clouds and stuff, I can't really, it's hard to film, almost impossible. I mean, I can't find anything. This bright light is illuminated tonight. I thought it'd be out, and I was so right. It's about 7 p.m. and change. Thursday night, January 4th. The year 2024. Happy New Year to everyone. To all my subs, to all my strange sighters out there that like tuning in. That's what it's all about, folks. That's what it's all about. Worldwide. Did I just smell some weed? Oh, God. I could probably get stoned on this block just by walking. But, oh my God, it was like skunk. It was like really pungent. But no, folks, I don't do drugs anymore. I mean, no, I don't do them. I gotta keep my energy, I gotta keep my ambition, I gotta keep my focus. As you all should also. Not that I would ever tell anyone what to do, unless you asked my advice. There's plenty of people, though, who will give advice without you asking for it. I do not like that. I don't prefer that. Let's put it that way. No biggie, no big deal. It's just some people make some cockamamie comments when they should just keep their mouth shut. Zip it. I'm getting used to this telephoto. I told you I would be using it again. And my arms are strong. I was just working out earlier. Yeah. Working the biceps of filmmaking. Oh, Jesus. This guy comes out of the building right next door, but good, doesn't pay me any mind, which is, that's real New York. Oh, it's the dude that just put his SUV there in the, no, I lost the image, here we go. How do I know I'm still filming? I'm looking out outside the lens on the phone, and it's giving me time in red. I'll leave you on red. What the hell are people talking about when they say that? I want to leave you on red. It's like this girl just walked by. She's looking like what I'm filming and just keeps walking on. Yep. It's just Jupiter, not really. Anyone asks me what I'm filming, I just say, oh yeah, Jupiter, it's visible tonight. Go Google it and you'll see. Now move on, so I can film in peace. Of course, if I had my couple of strange sighters with me that believe and are as spiritual as I, then of course you could accompany me on my shoot, but not until I am a one-man solo operation. I I work best alone. Yeah. Now I'm looking through the lens, folks, and it's bright colors, and it almost looks triangular, but now it looks like hyphen shaped. Reddish yellow on the bottom, bluish green on the top. Almost the colors of an American kestrel, if you've ever seen that beautiful bird. It's like a small peregrine falcon. It is a falcon, and it's orange and blue and black and white, very pretty. So, maybe it's a falcon in the sky. I. Good thing I don't have a parrot on my shoulder. He'd be like messing up my shoot. UFO, UFO. Trust the science, trust the science. Stretch it out about less than 5 more minutes and I'm toast. I like to get out earlier than dinner, you know. So after that food sets in, I get lazier and say blow it off. Hopefully, when I get home and post this, when I look through the footage, it'll look as big and bright and, I don't know, as I filmed it before, the image got squirmy like a flying glowworm. As a matter of fact, I'm going to B&H in the morning, getting a new tripod that's good with an iPhone at a bargain price, I might add, and that would be excellent for my neck and back, the way I'm holding this right now. Kind of reminds me of like when I was back in church, when I was a boy and standing up the whole service, and I didn't like that. But it's not good to sit down all day either, right? Gotta get those legs moving and grooving. That's a plane. I hear it. Yeah, you can believe it. Sure you can. Oh, folks. This is shaping up to an interesting video for you. For all you strange sighters out there. The community is growing. I love it. Thank you to the main countries watching me. India, Russia, Indonesia. I think USA is 4th or 5th. Come on. Let's not be haters, USA. Let's support RAF in this channel. Anyway, with that being said, I think this is enough for tonight. I've always enjoyed doing it, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Strange Sights in the Sky, signing out. Oh.